Top 5 altcoins to buy in 2022. With the cryptocurrency market regaining traction and several coins setting new all-time highs in 2021, it's natural to question what the greatest altcoin picks for 2022 are. Choosing the best altcoin to invest in 2022 might be difficult, especially if you are new to the crypto market. So, this video should help you get your bearings straight. And look, if you're brand new to investing or you don't know where to buy your own crypto, you can use the link in the description below for Binance. It is super simple to set up an account, and then the reward there is percentage-based, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. A disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor and all cryptocurrency investments are risky. Do not buy without doing your own research, and all views and predictions expressed in this video are personal opinion and for educational purposes. First, a look back at 2021. This year has been a roller coaster for cryptocurrency. No other investing asset class has attracted as much market attention, from rising institutional and retail adoption to China clamping down on crypto transactions. Throughout it all, Bitcoin continued to set new highs, and it is still the most valued and widely discussed cryptocurrency. Yet, on a year-to-date basis, altcoins like Cardano, which is up 800%, and Shiba Inu, which is up 57,752,338%, have been among the best performing cryptocurrencies. We are going to look at the altcoin gems with the long-term potential for growth, which may give us high return on investment in 2022. Before then, click that subscribe button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. Coin number 5 is Tezos. Anyone who got in on Tezos when it first started in 2017 made a lot of money. The project was trading at $1.90 at the time, and it is now trading at $4. Tezos has reaped the benefits of the rise in popularity of NFTs in recent years. NFTs have already been launched on the Tezos blockchain by a number of well-known companies and sports figures. So, what is Tezos? Exactly, Tezos is one of the most advanced platform blockchains available, with applications ranging from DeFi to NFTs. One feature that sets Tezos unique is its smart contract security, which is critical for DeFi applications. Tezos security originates from its usage of the Okami and Michelson programming languages, which are built for code accuracy. If the code is buggy, no smart contract can operate on Tezos. Tezos is now ideal for the implementation of highly sensitive applications in DeFi and other high-security businesses, which has tremendous consequences. This can be seen in the use of Tezos for corporate dApps, which is expected to continue beyond 2022. Tezos is also designed to be very decentralized. This is due to its governance system, which ensures that all project stakeholders have a say. Anyone with Tezos can participate in project evaluation and approval, because no single body can make choices on behalf of everyone else. This approach lends legitimacy to the project. It's also worth noting that Tezos lacks the energy constraints that have become a cause of concern for proof-of-work projects like Bitcoin, because it is based on a proof-of-stake consensus. This is the case. This has the added benefit of attracting investors who wish to make a passive income from cryptocurrency. That's because when someone stakes Tezos, they're not only participating in governance, but they're also earning incentives. Investors wishing to take advantage of both staking rewards and value appreciation will find Tezos particularly appealing now that the market is heading up again following the slump that began in May to July. Analysts have high expectations for this project in 2022. Owing to its solid foundations, Tezos, for example, is expected to trade at $21.70 by the end of 2022. According to Coin Price Forecast, that would be a 233% increase over the present price. That's a huge return on investment, making Tezos a good investment not just in 2022, but for many years to come. The number 4 altcoin gem to invest in 2022 is Shiba Inu coin. In the past 12 months, it has gained by 570 million%. This may leave one wondering whether it's a little too late to buy. Shiba is definitely one of the best altcoins to look at in 2022. Well, while it is still a meme coin, and anything happens to it between now and 2022, there is good reason to believe that it can sustain momentum. For starters, the broader market momentum is bullish. Since Bitcoin pushed through its all-time highs of $64,000, most altcoins have been in the green. While Bitcoin has eased up in the last few days, its overall momentum is bullish, and if history is anything to go by, $100,000 by 2022 is a possibility. If this happens, then Shiba Inu and all other altcoins will also gain upside momentum, considering the hype that Shiba is building up at the moment. If Bitcoin rallies through the $100,000 mark, this altcoin could easily do another 1000% in gains. Besides, there is a little more to Shiba Inu than the hype. For starters, unlike Dogecoin whose supply is ever going up, SHIB's supply has been going down over time since the project launched. More than 50% of the total supply has already been taken out of circulation with the project's token burn feature. The more people use Shiba Inu, the more tokens are burned. Considering the huge amount of hype that Shiba Inu has been attracting lately, a lot more will have been burned by 2022. This is likely to pull up the price going into 2022. On top of that, Shiba Inu's adoption is growing, a factor that points to the project's growing intrinsic value. For context, Shiba Inu was a few days ago adopted as a payment method by a French restaurant. Shiba Inu has also been onboarded with Flexa, which is a major payment system out there. We now have access to 40,000 stores out there that those stores can. You'd have the ability to pay, with Shiba Inu through the Flexa system at those respective stores. With all the hype that the project is attracting, more organizations are likely to adopt it for convenience and marketing. With the future looking bright for SHIB, analysts are giving it some pretty ambitious projections for 2022. For instance, Coin Price Forecast expects Shiba Inu beyond ROI of 197%. Considering how much it has rallied recently, that would be an impressive return on investment. Going over to number 3 is Cosmos. Anyone who purchased Cosmos earlier this year made a lot of money. The project was trading at $6.40 and has been on an upward trend since then. With the exception of a short fall between May and July, it is currently trading at $22.48 and is rising. Cosmos' rapid climb is due in large part to its outstanding fundamentals. Interoperability is one of its main advantages. dApps based on Cosmos may travel and exchange data across blockchains using IBC technology. Cosmos is particularly popular among developers who do not wish to be tied to a single blockchain. Because of this freedom, Cosmos also has a lot of powerful features coming up that will serve to excite the market even further. One of them is the Cosmos Marketplace. This will be a highly advanced decentralized exchange that will instantly allow cross-chain asset swaps at low fees. Cosmos security is also quite attractive, and it's only going to get better. That's because the network is working on a security feature that will allow multiple chains to be secured by the Cosmos security infrastructure. This will have lots of positive ramifications for the Cosmos blockchain. That's because it entails incentivizing people to stake more Cosmos by giving them more rewards. The result will be an increased demand for Atom tokens over time. Cosmos blockchain is also set to benefit from the fact that there is actually a growing demand for the services it provides. The Cosmos blockchain is highly optimized for DeFi, one of the fastest growing aspects of the crypto market. This means going into 2022 and beyond, the demand for Atom will grow. Its use case in DeFi has picked up quite well since the project launched. This is due to the project's technical capabilities, such as fast speeds and low transaction costs. The uptick in its adoption is also because of its incentives to developers. Cosmos offers grants to projects that want to build on it, and so far, the reception has been good. Cosmos' strong fundamentals have seen it draw some very optimistic projections from analysts. According to Coin Price Forecast, Cosmos could hit $258 by 2022. That would be a return of 538%. By any standards, such returns make Cosmos a pretty good trade going into 2022. Number 2 on our list is Polkadot. Polkadot is one of the most popular cryptocurrency projects. DOT was trading at roughly $2.90 when it was launched in 2020. DOT was trading at $47 in April 2021, when the entire crypto market was surging. Polkadot's current success is largely due to its usability. Polkadot's interoperability is one of its main advantages. Polkadot is compatible with a variety of blockchains, particularly the Ethereum blockchain. This means that any data generated on this blockchain can be shared with other blockchains. Polkadot is entirely aligned with the future of blockchain by not confining developers to a single chain, and developers are aware of this. Polkadot is extremely popular because of its scalability. Polkadot provides developers with unmatched economic scalability capabilities. This is because it allows numerous chains to be secured using the same validators. Polkadot is extremely popular since it is simple to work with. Building on top of Polkadot is so simple that it takes less than 10 minutes to build a custom blockchain. In just 10 minutes, you'll have a secure blockchain that can be used across chains. It's also one of the most decentralized projects you'll find. This is due to the fact that its governance structure ensures that everyone involved in the project has a vote in how it is run. Any network changes, for example, are decided on chain, and if there is consensus, They are implemented autonomously. The fact that this project cannot be forked has also attracted investors. Despite the fact that Bitcoin and Ethereum have been forked, they remain powerful. Going through several forks, on the other hand, can dilute the value of a smaller project. Polkadot overcomes this issue by guaranteeing that any upgrades or fixes are performed without the need for a new network to be created. Polkadot has introduced a slew of good modifications in a fraction of the time that most blockchains take. Polkadot has an excellent possibility of performing well in 2022, given its strong fundamentals and the current positive state of the crypto industry. For example, if Bitcoin reaches $100K by 2022, Polkadot might reach new highs that are far greater than its present values. Analysts are also optimistic about DOT's chances in 2022. Polkadot could reach $134.03 by 2022. According to Coin Price Forecast, this represents a 213% increase over the current price. The last but not the least on the altcoin gems to watch in 2022 is Kusama. Kusama may not be as well known as the hype coins, but it is unquestionably a digital currency to invest in 2022. That's because it's one of the market's most fundamentally sound projects right now. Kusama is a crypto worth keeping an eye on, especially given that fundamentals are so essential to most crypto investors. Kusama is intended to serve as a platform blockchain enabling developers to create applications on top of a safe and scalable blockchain. Gavin Wood, the founder of Polkadot and one of Ethereum's founders, announced the initiative. One of Kusama's main advantages is that it is incredibly cost-effective for developers. Kusama has become particularly appealing to businesses. As a result of this, Kusama developers can take advantage of some of the most cutting-edge dApp capabilities that aren't accessible on Polkadot, Ethereum, or any other blockchain. That's because Kusama was designed with experimenting in mind. In terms of security, Kusama makes use of Polkadot's security architecture. Transactions are also entirely private because transaction details are not made public on the blockchain. Because of how appealing this project is to dApps developers, its popularity is certain to rise over time. This makes it a strong long-term investment until 2022 and beyond. Since its inception, the project has already shown to be a worthwhile investment. Kusama was launched in 2019 and was trading at $1.70 at the time. It was trading near $600 at its peak in April of this year. While it has been in a corrective wave since then, Kusama is again regaining bullish momentum. Much like the rest of the market, Kusama has made considerable gains since hitting a low of $163 in July, and is now trading at $275.17. That suggests Kusama might retest and surpass its all-time highs if the market remains bullish through 2022. Analysts have already given it some excellent 2022 estimates. Kusama could reach $1,703 by the end of 2022. According to Coin Price Forecast, that's a whopping 365% gain over the current price. Kusama may well meet and exceed these projections, with Bitcoin on track to test $100K by 2022. It is undeniably one of the most promising altcoins to trade in 2022. So that's it for me today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.